Hello, my name is Birgit and I'm the president of the Global Service Design Network, and I'm professor for service design at Köln International School of Design at the Technical University in Cologne, Germany. As you can imagine, I will be talking about service design in the Design Leadership program. First, I will be introducing you to the basics of service design. That will be a short journey. I assume most of you are familiar with it, but still, I want to be sure that we are all on the same page. From there, we will swiftly move on a higher level. Throughout the last decades, we have been observing how service design is moving upwards into the boardrooms. That is great. It's really great, but it's also a challenge. For the service designer, it means that he or she has to embrace a new role. And in the Design Leadership program, we will be exploring that role. We will be exploring what type of skills and what type of attitude you will need in order to really take advantage of that opportunity that the developments of the last decades are now offering in order to really make service design successful and impactful within organizations. I'm really looking forward to be working with you. See you there. Take care.